Ever wondered why the most natural aspect of human life, sexuality, remains shrouded in mystery and misinformation? This is a question that has echoed throughout time, yet the answers seem as elusive as ever. Often, it is the unspoken truth, the silent narrative that pervades our lives, shaping our perceptions and attitudes towards sexual health and wellness. The topic of sexual health and wellness is a significant one, yet it is frequently swathed in layers of misinformation and shame. There's a pressing need to address it openly, to dispel the myths, to break the silence, because at the end of the day, it's about you, it's about me, it's about us. It's about understanding ourselves better, about nurturing our bodies, our minds, our relationships. We are embarking on a voyage of discovery, a journey that will unravel the intricate tapestry of human sexuality, piece by piece. Today, we pull back the veil to reveal the truth about sexual health and wellness. Our first tip, and perhaps the most important, is communication. It's often said that communication is the bedrock of any successful relationship, and this couldn't be truer when it comes to your sexual health and wellness. Open, honest dialogue about your experiences, feelings, worries, and desires is not just beneficial, it's essential. Consider this: by voicing your concerns, you can dispel fears; by expressing your needs, you can foster understanding; and by discussing your boundaries, you can ensure respect. And it's not just about talking, listening is equally important. By truly hearing your partner, you can build trust and promote mutual respect. Beyond this, communication can also lead to improved overall health. It can help you better understand your body, identify potential issues early, and seek timely medical advice. It's a ripple effect that starts with a single, simple act: talking. Remember, silence often leads to misunderstanding. Speak up for your sexual health. The second tip revolves around the importance of regular health checkups. Now, you might be wondering why this is so crucial. Well, regular medical checkups play a significant role in maintaining sexual health. They allow healthcare professionals to detect any potential issues early, increasing the chances of successful treatment. Let's address the elephant in the room: the fear and misconceptions surrounding these checkups. Some might think it's embarrassing or unnecessary if they feel perfectly fine. But remember, many health issues don't show symptoms until they're advanced. The idea isn't to scare you, but to highlight the importance of preventive care. Think of it as a car service. You wouldn't wait for the engine to break down before taking it to the garage, would you? It's the same with your health. Regular checkups are like your body's MOT, ensuring everything is running as it should be. Your body is your temple. Treat it with the respect it deserves. Our third tip: practice safe sex. It's that simple, yet so crucial. Safe sex is not just a catchphrase, it's a lifestyle choice that plays a pivotal role in maintaining your sexual health. Now let's bust some myths. Safe sex isn't just for the young or the adventurous. It's for everyone, regardless of age, relationship status, or sexual orientation. And it's not just about preventing unwanted pregnancies or sexually transmitted infections, though that's certainly a big part of it. It's also about fostering respect and trust in your relationships. When you choose to engage in safe sex, you're making a statement. You're saying, I respect my body, I respect my partner's body, and I take our health seriously. So, stock up on those contraceptives, get tested regularly, and have those important conversations with your partner. Remember, safe sex is not just about prevention. It's about respect and responsibility. Tip number 4 is to lead a healthy lifestyle. It's simple, yet profound. Your sexual health is not an isolated aspect of your being, but rather it's intricately tied to your overall health. Now let's break down what a healthy lifestyle entails. Firstly, nutrition. Consuming a balanced diet not only fuels your body, but also optimizes your sexual performance and libido, so consider replacing those chips with some fresh fruits and vegetables. Secondly, exercise. Regular physical activity improves circulation, which is essential for sexual function. It doesn't have to be a grueling gym session, a brisk walk would do. Lastly, mental health. Stress, anxiety, and depression can significantly affect your sexual health, so it's crucial to take time for self-care and relaxation. These elements, when incorporated into your daily life, can significantly enhance your sexual health and overall well-being. So remember, your sexual health is a reflection of your overall health. Make it a priority. Our fifth tip is simple. Understand your body. Now, this might sound obvious, but it's something many people overlook. Our bodies are intricate machines capable of the most extraordinary things, yet we often take them for granted. Every body is different, with its own unique rhythms and needs. It's pertinent to become familiar with your body, to understand its signals and responses. Get comfortable with your body. Look at it, touch it, understand its contours and textures. It's your home, after all. Do you recognize the signs when you're tired? Or when you're stressed? Your body communicates with you constantly, so tune in to its language. Appreciate your body. Celebrate its strengths, accept its weaknesses. It's the only one you've got, so treat it with kindness and respect. Keep in mind, understanding and loving your body isn't an overnight journey. It's a lifelong commitment to self-awareness and care. Remember, your body is unique. Learn to understand and love it. Tip number 6, educate yourself. In this bustling world of the digital age, information is at your fingertips. It's crucial to leverage this accessibility to learn about sexual health. It's not just about the birds and the bees or the basics of reproduction. Sexual education encompasses a wider spectrum, including understanding consent, recognizing sexually transmitted diseases, and the importance of emotional well-being in a sexual relationship. There are numerous reliable sources available, from health websites, medical journals to educational videos, even podcasts. The key is to verify that your sources are credible and factual. Remember, ignorance is not bliss when it comes to your health. Misconceptions and myths can lead to unnecessary anxiety or risky behaviors. So break the barriers of discomfort and hesitation. Seek knowledge. It's never too late to learn, and it's never too much to know. Knowledge is power. Equip yourself with the right information. Our final tip: don't hesitate to seek professional help. In the realm of sexual health, many of us often shy away from seeking professional assistance. We may fear judgment, or perhaps worry about the repercussions of our inquiries. But let me assure you, there is nothing to fear. Professionals in the field of sexual health are there to guide and support you. Whether you're grappling with issues related to sexual performance, or navigating the complexities of sexually transmitted diseases, or simply seeking advice on maintaining sexual wellness, these experts are equipped with the knowledge and understanding to help. Moreover, seeking professional help isn't a sign of weakness. On the contrary, it's a step towards wellness, a nod to your courage and commitment to your health. It's about taking control of your well-being, making informed decisions, and ultimately leading a healthier, happier life. Remember, there's no shame in seeking help. Your health is worth it. We've unveiled 7 tips to understanding and maintaining sexual health. Friends, it's time to take a moment and reflect on what we've shared today. We've embarked on an enlightening journey, haven't we? From the unspoken truths to the power of communication, the significance of regular checkups, the necessity of safe sex, to the influence of a healthy lifestyle, understanding your body, and the importance of self-education. Each point is a stepping stone on the path to sexual health and wellness, yet they all lead to one fundamental truth: your health is your responsibility. You see, we can provide you with the tools, the knowledge, and the guidance, but at the end of the day, it is you who must wield these resources. It is you who must take the initiative, make the decisions, and take the actions necessary to protect and maintain your sexual health. In a world where we often feel powerless, this is one area where you hold the reins. It's an empowering thought, isn't it? You have the power to shape your health, your well-being, and ultimately your happiness. Perhaps it seems daunting at first. The responsibility can feel heavy, like a weight upon your shoulders. But remember this: every step you take towards better sexual health is a step towards a healthier, more fulfilling life. So don't shy away from regular checkups. Embrace communication with your partner and make safe sex a non-negotiable. Understand your body, listen to it and respect it. Lead a healthy lifestyle and educate yourself. And when in doubt, seek professional help. There's no shame in asking questions, in seeking guidance, in admitting that you don't have all the answers. Because at the end of the day, it's not about having all the answers. It's about taking charge, about being proactive, about doing the best you can with the knowledge and resources you have. So take a deep breath, step forward, and own it. Take charge of your sexual health. It's your body, your life, your responsibility.